All right, welcome back to the garage. Today I'm still working on this IROC-Z. Today I'm going to focus on these taillights, try to restore some clarity and luster to them. It's 38 years old. It's an 86 IROC convertible, but that's a story for another time. So what I'm going to use today is Griot's Garage plastic all-in-one polish. So basically it's a polish and it's a ceramic protectant wax too, to help protect it from oxidizing again. So I'm just going to take some here on a foam applicator pad. I really like foam applicator pads. My personal preference of mine. They're sometimes hard to find, but I like the McGuire's ones. And we're gonna work it into this taillight. See how it does. I already like what I'm seeing. Probably gonna give it 2 coats just to really clean them up. This car was very neglected by its first owner. Second owner saved it, but hasn't really done much with it since they took ownership of it. So I'm trying to get it back to life the best I can for them. Here we go. That's the first go around. That looks fantastic. My goodness, that looks absolutely fantastic. I'm hoping the camera picks it up as good as it looks. We're gonna give it another shot here. Second coat. Just for good measure. I apologize for the background noise and the birds, and probably my dog will bark here in a second, but it just is what it is. Excellent. This looks fantastic. There you go. Griot's Garage plastic, all-in-one. It does a good job. It does a fantastic job. Thanks for stopping by. Be talking to you soon. Bye-bye.